It usually starts with a snap, a flirtatious message, a disappearing video, or a private image. Then, the tone shifts. Suddenly, you're facing threats. Send more, or I'll post this. This isn't just a bad online experience, it's sextortion. And how you respond in the next few hours can either stop the threat or make it worse. Welcome to the Blackmail Helpline channel. We specialize in sextortion investigations and have helped thousands of victims around the world. Using our proprietary tracking technology, we've maintained a success rate exceeding 90%, stopping cybercriminals from releasing our clients' private images or information. Let's get it started. What to do if someone is blackmailing you on Snapchat. Step 1. Don't panic and don't delete. Do not pay the blackmailer. It only leads to more demands. Do not block them right away. You'll lose access to their profile and future messages. Do not delete messages or your Snapchat account. Most victims' first instinct is to block or erase everything. Don't do it. That's the mistake the blackmailer wants you to make. Deleting content or cutting off communication can destroy key evidence we need to track and stop them. Step 2. Document the crime. Snapchat is designed to make messages disappear, but there are ways to preserve the evidence before it's gone. How to document blackmail on Snapchat properly. Use these specific Snapchat features. Screenshots with timestamps. Open the chat thread with the blackmailer. Take full-screen screenshots of each message, image, or video. You can do this even with disappearing snaps. Snapchat will notify the sender, but that's acceptable at this stage. Make sure your device's clock is visible in one of the screenshots to timestamp the evidence. Screen recording. Use your phone's screen recorder to capture scrolling through the chat. Narrate or label what is being recorded. Profile details. Tap the blackmailer's Bitmoji or username at the top of the chat. Screenshot their display name, Snapchat score, username, and any public stories or info. File naming tip. Name your evidence files consistently for later reporting. Step 3. Build a chronological timeline. We recommend creating a simple log of all interactions in a spreadsheet or notes app. Here's how. You can see an example on the screen. This timeline becomes a vital tool for law enforcement or our investigation team to assess urgency and response. Step 4. Report the crime. Reporting is important, both to Snapchat and to law enforcement. How to report the user on Snapchat. Open the chat with the blackmailer. Tap the Bitmoji icon, then tap the 3 dots and manage friendship. Select report. Choose they're threatening me or harassment or blackmail. Include screenshots if prompted and add a note like, "This user is threatening to release private content unless I send money. I have full documentation." Snapchat does not notify the person you reported them. What does the FBI recommend? The FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, IC3, advises, do not comply with demands. Do preserve all evidence, messages, usernames, payment info. Do report immediately at ic3.gov. If the victim is under 18 or the content is sexually explicit, also report at cybertipline.org. Step 5. Get professional help. We'll handle the rest. At Blackmail Helpline, our cybersecurity team can. Stop the blackmail. This is our specialty. We make the criminals go away. If the material is published online, we can get it taken down. We have the expertise, intelligence, and all the resources we need to catch cyber criminals from anywhere in the world. Our highly skilled team of professionals will immediately get to work on your case. Our mission is to stop the threats, track down the criminals, and bring them to justice. We're not just a support line. We're your digital defense team. Blackmail on Snapchat is terrifying, but you are not alone, and you are not powerless. With the right documentation, smart steps, and professional help, you can stop them before the damage spreads. Helpful resources. To learn more, check out this link, which you can click in the description below, and feel free to comment with your questions. Or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.